Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of xy where x square minus y is equal to 10 and y square minus x is equal to 10 and x is not equal to y. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we can write x square minus y minus from equation 2 y square minus x is equal to 10 minus 10, or x square minus y square plus x is equal to 10 minus 10 is 0, or rearranging it we can write x square minus y square plus this x minus y is equal to 0, or applying formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b, we can write x plus y times x minus y plus taking common positive 1 from these two terms, we can write 1 times of x minus y is equal to 0, or taking common x minus y, we will have x minus y times this x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, or as x is not equal to y, so x minus y is not equal to 0, so we will have x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 as x minus y is not equal to 0. Now taking this 1 to right side, we get x plus y is equal to negative 1. Call it as equation number 3. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2, we will have x square minus y plus y square minus x is equal to 10 plus 10, or rearranging it we will have x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 10 plus 10 is 20, or applying formula a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab, we can write it as x plus y whole square minus twice xy, and taking common negative here we can write negative of x plus y is equal to 20, or substituting the value of x plus y from equation 3, we can write negative 1 whole square minus twice xy minus of the value of x plus y is negative 1 is equal to 20, or negative 1 whole square is positive 1 minus twice xy, and negative times of negative 1 is positive 1 is equal to 20, or 1 plus 1 is 2 minus twice xy is equal to 20, or taking this 2 to right side we will have negative twice xy is equal to 20 minus 2, or negative twice xy is equal to 20 minus 2 is 18, Now divided both side by -2, we will have the value of xy is equal to negative of 18/2. So the value of xy is equal to negative of 18/2 is 9. So this is the value of xy. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.